Hello, welcome to our channel Us. Learn Excel with Amna. Today our topic is how we can save the file of Excel in desktop or in any place. So now I will open the Excel worksheet. Okay, you can see the Excel worksheet is open. There are three options how we can save the file. First option is save, second option is file, and the third option is we will click on it and it will ask where do you want to save your file. So now we will learn these three simple ways to save the file. So first way is this is save. I will click on save, it will save. Now I will click on the cross button, click on Excel, I will show you. Yes, you can see. Second option is this. You will go to save as, browse, and now it will ask where do you want to save your file. I will go to downloads, and now I will write Amina Excel. Now I will save on downloads. Now I will open it. Now you can see here Amina Excel. I will open this. You can see. And the third option is cross. If I will click on cross, it will ask, do you want to save this file? I will say on yes. Now it has saved. You can see. I will show you. Yes, this. Thanks for watching us.